What are you doing?
What do you mean? What am I doing?
Exactly that. What are you doing?
Getting my sneakers.
Why?
I'm headed to Jesse's.
Jeff. And what do you think you're going to do at Jesse's house?
I don't know what I'll do, but I'll figure out something. You should have told me.
What do you mean I should have told you? I
They
did
said
tell
you shouldn't have told me.
I think you should talk to Jesse. Talk to Jesse before you do anything. For all we know, they have permission. We don't know. Just because Jesse hasn't said anything to us doesn't mean
Well, he would have told us if he said, "Oh, Uncle Larry's over to the house," blah blah blah. You know, we would have known. He would have told us.
Do we know that for sure? Maybe not.
Do we know that for sure? I don't know if we know that for sure.
Well, you can't just
when
go
you tell
over
me
there.
that they're over there, they're staying there. What the heck are you going to do? I got to get him, help him out. The kid has no clue.
Well, it's on the video, and I just saw it, so I don't know for sure. I mean,
What's it actually say?
I think it just said staying at McJuggernuggets. And it looked like him and Joe.
So he's got other people there then too.
It looked like it was just him and Joe.
That's what I mean.
I think you should call Jesse. Just call him and just maybe he's okay with it. So there's
Maybe
no
he's
reason to
okay.
be running over there if he's okay with it.
Mm-hmm.
What?
I was looking in recent calls. And there's no recent calls from Jesse.
Why would he call you? He's a grown man. If he wants to let them stay there, they can stay there.
You shouldn't tell me stuff. You should have left me hanging. Because you know I gotta do stupid shit, so.
No, you don't have to do stupid stuff. That's why I'm here.
But you're the one that told me. Hey, it's me. Give me a call back. All right. Bye-bye. So do I have to wait now till he calls back?
Yeah, I don't think you should go over there and without talking to Jesse first. And you know,
They're probably
if he doesn't call back, then we'll just stay here.
I can't sit
and then
still.
wait till he calls.
But they're probably just using the kid. Why are they even there?
I don't know. I don't watch all the videos, and I didn't see the one today. I only saw when it came out, the thumbnail.
Hold on. Hey, where you at, feeding your eagle? Hey, do you know Uncle Larry's at your house?
Could you put him on speaker? Because I want to hear him say.
Wait a minute, your mom wants to be on speaker. You want you on speaker. Did you know Uncle Larry's at your house?
I thought I saw something on Twitter of they were like shooting a video or something. So.
Do you? Okay, so you don't know he's like there staying overnight, as your mom said?
I think.
What do you like?
I didn't actually see him stay overnight, but I think that's what.
Actually, I think living there per your mother. She's just being evasive.
Eggs there.
No. Uncle Larry is like staying there.
Why and what?
I don't know. Your mom doesn't know all the information, but what she's seen on a video, supposedly he's staying there. And maybe Joe too. Maybe Joe too, per your mother, who's being.
All I saw was I figured he wanted to like clickbait the house of McJuggernuggets or whatever, or maybe just film with the eggs. He's like, where is he sleeping at?
I can't answer any of these questions. That's why I was going to go over
He's
it.
sleeping over there. Something
Per
happened.
your mother, hon, didn't you say you think he's staying there overnight?
Yes, because that's.
Did he drink too much or like
That I don't know. That I don't know.
This is not. Joe tried to pull this before, and if Joe's there, like it's not some refuge or whatever. I don't know what's going on, but
Yeah. Well,
I'm
yeah.
PA, so F me, I can't even do anything. I'm not driving back, and Yates, I haven't really talked too much.
Well, do you want me to take a ride over and just do my interrogation thing that I'm semi-good at?
I mean, I've been trying to see what's been going on the cameras, but because it's so cold out, the battery's been dying. So
okay.
I don't know.
Well, the only thing is,
really want to, but
no, it's pissing me off. It's almost like they're using you.
Well, I don't know if they're using the house.
Propane like they eat there because I gotta pay 2 fucking bills and I'm not even there.
Right.
Also, Joe, they drink.
I think last time, years ago, I come and Joe's in my actual bed, so, you know.
Well, that's what I'm afraid of, because you know how when them two get, and they get drinking, and sometimes Joe gets a little...
They had a party at my house at one point without even knowing. It's like, yeah, cool, like, I know I got this big house and, like, this unused space and stuff, but, like, doesn't mean you just, like, crash or whatever.
Right.
Yeah. Honestly, if you drive over there, like, and let me know.
All right, so you didn't mind them using it just to play a few games, but...
Well, I don't know. I mean, if they just, like, talk to me what's going on, I don't know if, like, they're having some kind of, like, woman issues or whatever, but, because I know that's happened before.
Right.
Well, it's kind of disrespectful if they're staying there and they didn't call him and ask him.
Yeah, I mean, it's grown-ass men, it's grown-ass people. I have no expectations for other people anymore. I feel like nobody gives a shit right now.
And again, he hasn't reached out to you other than the initial time?
He said something about, like, yo, I ain't seen the basement. I was like, all right, cool.
Okay, that was it. All right.
Like, yeah, sure, go, whatever. I was like, be careful with the blackjack stuff or whatever.
All right.
Yeah, because they're drinking beer, I'm sure.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, that's all they do.
All right.
So.
I'll head over, and then I'll give you a little breakdown of what I find. All right.
All right. Yeah, and if they are like I don't want them to stay there. So.
All right.
You got to kick them out or whatever.
Kick them to the curb. Okay.
'Cause I don't even know how they got in. I guess the Aces let them in, but I don't want.
Yeah, I don't know.
They don't have like the spare key or whatever.
Right.
Well,
okay.
gosh, we don't even have a spare key.
Right, that's bullshit, isn't it?
That's weird.
Yeah.
That is weird. I'm glad you admitted it. All right. All right, I'll let you know what we find.
All right, yeah, please.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye.
All right. Sounds like we're taking a road trip.
All right, let me go get my coat.
All right.
I can't see you very well. Can you hit that light?
That too bright?
No. So, do you have a plan, like what you're going to say?
No, I don't have a plan for anything. I just go in like,
I think we just need to find out, or, just find out, like, if they're staying there.
Right.
And, and...
Yeah, this isn't a screaming match or anything like
no,
that.
No,
this is just...
I'm just saying...
Well, there's Larry's car, and who the heck's that one?
Oh, I don't know. Doesn't look like it's well lit.
No.
The egg side is
The
lit
egg
up.
side's lit up.
I see a light on. Is that the living room?
Yeah, that's the living room and the kitchen.
You think the door's unlocked? Oh, I hear voices.
Yeah, I hear voices too. Well, this one's
good.
open.
Now, why would you leave the door open?
That's what I mean. Well, there's
Expecting
another
more
truck
people?
out there too.
Mm-hmm. Having a party?
Sure sounds like that. And nobody's over here. It's like a freaking oven in this house.
Huh?
It's hot.
It feels warm, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Jesse doesn't keep it this warm. Well, it doesn't look like there's a mess. And I don't see... Unless they're sleeping. You think they're sleeping down in the basement?
How am I supposed to know? It's not no sleeping now. It's noisier than hell down there. Look.
What's that?
Corona can.
Yes, their voices are coming from downstairs, hon.
Yeah, I know they are. I'm just looking to see if they made a mess in here. Let's go down to the basement.
Yeah, baby! Sorry, got very excited there. You deserve that win, Larry. You deserve that, baby. You wanted it right in your wheelhouse, baby. That's what happened.
Don't you sell yourself short.
Hey,
That was a
hey, baby. Hey, baby. That's what happens when you utilize the ball gangler. Yo, best out of town.
Yo, excuse me!